Hello, for those of you who don't know who I am Avril, Health and Fitness Journeys, Avril, A-V-R-I-L. I'm out walking outside, I suppose, doing a nature hike. I haven't done one of these in a very while, a few weeks I suppose, more than a week. So I'm out walking today, enjoying nature this beautiful autumn day. It's the last Friday, October 2022. Awesome. Fantastic. Great. To like my video blog, please use the like button to leave your likes, and or use the comments area and leave me your comments. Thank you. Exercised earlier elsewhere, today here. Yes.